Hello, so let's get Dynamic Spanish installed. You should have received the email from Oculus, and then if you go to Store here, wait for it to load, scroll all the way down, keep scrolling, and then on My Preview Apps, you should see whatever apps you've got access to. So I've got Dynamic Spanish here. So I haven't installed it yet. If you don't see it, then I recommend you restart the Oculus Go, as it should show up once you've received the email from Oculus saying it will be in your account. So click on it. Oh, you can even watch our trailer here. Have a bit of sound on. Lovely trailer. Of course, download it. Gonna wait for it to download. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, now it's installed. Let's press start. First time, it may take a little bit of time to warm up. So here we are at the home page. So if you click this video, it will start playing. It's a little welcome video. Katie will introduce Dynamic Spanish to you. So here you go. I'm not going to play it because I've heard it 100 times and you should listen to it. But there's a welcome video there, and then some tips here on what you should do during the lessons. Okay, so if we press that arrow, we move over here to the lessons themselves. And so here's the first lesson, introduce, and then we've got all the lessons here. We've got a settings button up here. If you click that, Oculus Remote, you can choose what quality you want the videos to be. So it's 4K as the maximum. I recommend using 4K. You've also got 2.7K and 1080, but I'd recommend 4K for your video settings. And you've got how much space you have free there on your Oculus Go as well, as some of these videos are quite large to download. But if you have a fast enough internet, you can stream them. So feel free to stream them or download them. So what I'll do is I'll just press stream on this and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so we're in the lesson now. Just going to turn down the volume of the lesson just so it doesn't interfere with me. So yeah, obviously get the volume correct and start experiencing the lesson. So if you click the trigger, it brings up the menu bar. You've got pause, so you can pause there and then you can play. You've got rewind 15 seconds, so we'll go back to 6 seconds and then you can play. You've also got skip forward 15 seconds. Skips forward, and you can do that as much as you like. And then this button here is next chapter, so that takes you straight into the next chapter. So we've organized the lesson into chapters, so you'll start then right in the lesson, and if you realize you've done this, or you need to stop a lesson halfway through because you get a call or something, you need to leave VR, you can always find where you are using the next chapters, and that will skip you along and find kind of the beginning of each section. Okay, so because it's streaming, it's juttering a little bit. If you download the lesson, it will be quicker. That will get rid of it. And then you can listen and talk to Jen. So the basic feature of the app is that. And then if you need to go home, you press home. That will take you home. So we're back here at the home page. Let's continue moving this way. So you can see the lesson. So to download a lesson then, if you want to download one, you can I'll download count because it's a little bit smaller. You can see that it will start downloading once I press download. So there it is, running away. So that'll keep going. Obviously you can cancel that if I want to. I'm just going to cancel it because I don't want to download the episode, but that will download and then you will be able to just play the downloaded video. So if you're offline or don't have the internet, you can download a lesson beforehand and then watch it in 4K. And if your internet isn't fast enough to stream, I recommend downloading it as well. So move across. Here are the quick fire lessons. So similar sort of thing here. You've got the stream, the download buttons, and these are the quick fires. So in the online course, we're going to instruct you what videos to use. So when you reach that video on the online course, it'll say watch the lesson. So we recommend at that point you go into VR and you watch the lesson. If you want to download the lessons, obviously go in a little bit earlier, download it, and then you'll be able to play through. I also recommend that you fully charge the Oculus Go before you watch our lessons, as it can drain a lot of the battery if it's not fully charged. So please do fully charge the Oculus Go, and then you won't be interrupted by low batteries or anything like that. So here we have Explore Valencia. So these are some of the vlogs that Katie and I have made. So we've gone around Spain making 360 vlogs. So you can watch the 3 about Valencia, which is kind of the area where we film the outdoor scenes. So you'll get to learn a bit more about the areas that you speak to your Spanish amigos in here. So yeah, you can stream and download them as well. And then back here, we're back to the home page. And that's about it for the app. So I hope you found it useful. You know how to pause, you know how to do everything really. So yeah, get the app, download it, install it, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.